Welcome back to another episode of What the F***, and today is something different. BMW e38. I bought this car for parts. I have a pre-facelift model, so this is a facelift model, but it had the shadow pack on there, so all the trims were de-chromed. There's got a bit of birch in it. But obviously stuff like the wings, the bonnet, headlights, no good to me really, because I'm keeping my car pre-facelift and the wings, the bonnet and the headlights are different. But everything else I need, so I'm going to take the front bumper off, the side skirts, the trims, but I'm taking the doors complete, so I'm going to keep the doors. But I'll obviously remove the trims off the fender and the rear quarter. I'm going to be taking these trims off here, the rear bumper, because it's obviously been de-chromed as well, and petrol flap, quite a common thing on these. This snaps, so I need to try and be really gentle and remove that somehow without breaking it. I've already stripped the interior out of it. So this used to be my old interior in here. Obviously took the dash out and everything already. That's all the old interior. So I've gone for all black on mine now. So I'm gonna set the camera up, do a little laps. It's gonna be a real short video. Probably most of this will just be the laps, and then we'll just wrap up at the end and see how far we get. It is a Saturday. I don't know. Tell a lie, it's a Sunday, so I do not plan on being here very long. But I also got the Z back. Love this car. So one day soon, I can't wait for the day I get to work on that car and get that car sorted. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the laps. If anybody needs any tips on how to strip things down on one of these, hit me up and hopefully I can tell you, because I'll be honest, I'm just going to be trying to get through this. So if I smash a few bits here or there, I don't really care. As long as I don't break actually what I need. So obviously I can give you guys some tips along the way about how to remove the front bumper, and skirts and etc. So if anyone needs any advice on stripping down E38, hit me up and let me know. If not, I hope you guys enjoy the laps, and I'll see you guys shortly. Alright, so front bumper is off, headlights are out as well. So now what I'm going to do is remove the doors. Now these doors are easy enough to remove with just one person if you're strong enough to lift the door. So let me show you guys what's involved with that. So basically, good thing about these are the loom, let me just get the camera adjusted, is basically just there. So you have one 8mm there, and then basically that pulls out, and then you can basically disconnect the loom from here, so you don't have to disconnect it from inside the car. Then you basically just remove this rubber here, and basically knock this pin out. That will obviously release the check strap, and then you basically got one 10mm there, one 10mm there, and then the door can just be lifted off and removed. So unlike the old like Jap cars and stuff where you have to actually remove the bolt off the hinges, and then you need obviously someone to support the door while someone unbolts it, this one should be able to do by myself. So either this will be great and you guys will see that, or I will epically fail in which case I'll still put it in the video. So let's get the doors off. And that is the door removal. Super easy. Just a check strap. This pin was a bit of a nuisance, but yeah, cool. So I am gonna now get the rest of these doors off. It's pretty much the same principle for all the doors, so I won't bore you with that, and I will be back. Welcome back to another episode of, actually, I'm gonna let my little helpers do it today. Tell them what it is. Say, welcome back to another episode of
What the quack?
So today, my two little girls are gonna help me finish dismantling the BM. So what we're gonna do, gonna get them some gloves on, and gonna do a little bit of that dirty work. So keep it locked and we'll be right back. Say, see you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
Come in more. Right, so what we're gonna do now is we are gonna remove the coil packs.
Okay.
So my two little helpers here. Right, let's get this job done. Right, Maya, you stand on one side. Tia, you stand on the other. Right, that's yours, and that's yours. So we're gonna take the coil packs out, and we got obviously 6 here. 1, 2, 8. Sorry, it's a V8. So we got 4 on this bank, 4 on that bank. So yeah, so let's get them out now. Right, Tia, give me the screwdriver, please. The pick. So you have to pop that up like that,
Oh my goodness.
and then unclip it. Yeah.
That's my
Maya, come on this side. Right, then we need the tendril. Now your head's covering the camera. All right, so
Now hold that, Dada.
you have to do that, do
Mother.
that, and then we can take this off. Not really helpful, are they?
You don't got a banana.
Who's got a banana?
Not us. You don't even have a banana.
All right, so we take them 2 nuts off, and then pop. And that's 1 coil pack. So that's the coil pack there.
Yay.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna finish taking all these coil packs out, and then when we're done, we'll be back. Catch you guys in a minute. Or do you want to tell them we'll catch him in a minute? Go on then.
We'll catch you in a minute. We'll catch you in a minute.
There we go. And that's a wrap. We are done, aren't we?
Yeah.
My little helpers today. This thing is stripped down now. So all we got to do now is get rid of the shell. So with that being said, we'll catch you guys on the next one.
We will catch you guys on the next one.